Hello and welcome to F&SYamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania, South Central PA's premier Excel jet boat dealer. I'm Andy. I'm the guy here that sells most of the fishing boats at F&S. If you contact us, more than likely you'll be speaking with me. If you're not familiar with us, check us out on our website at F&SYamaha.com and our, of course, very active YouTube channel, F&SYamaha. Our Google listing and Facebook listings. We have a great reputation that we're very proud of. We have people from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and we appreciate it. We just recently became an Excel boat dealer, and I'm very proud of it. I was looking for years for a very high quality, completely welded together aluminum tunnel hull jet, and we have it, and I'm proud of it. These boats are really put together. Anyway, on to the cool boat. This is a 2027 Excel 184 Switchblade. 62-inch bottom, 18-foot center console, true tunnel hull jet with a forward-mounted console. I'll show you how the jet tunnel hull is designed here shortly. A Yamaha 115/80. All our Excels are partnered with Yamaha exclusively. It's hard to tell, of course, because this motor, as you see, is painted to match. This color is high def Optifade timber camo. Excel's really good at making, they have lots of camo options, but they're telling me this is one of the most popular, so that's why I ordered a few boats like this. We actually just got 5 of these jet boats in stock. Aluminum trailer with aluminum wheels that matches this boat spot on. Like I said, completely welded together, including the floor. These things are one solid structure. 0.125 bottom thickness. Little things like shark eye nav lights up front there. Upgrade was this spotlight, and it swivels. Painted to match as well. Yamaha outboard painted to match the boat. They do that in-house at Excel. See the brackets there for the transducer, one on each side for whatever fish finder we're going to put on. Like I said, a true tunnel hull. These are going some skinny waters here of our Susquehanna River or wherever. Composite bunk covers in the trailer. Those guys are going to brackish water. EVA foam flooring, Aqua Traction is the brand, and I got it throughout the boat, pretty well everywhere. It's on the cockpit, on the front and rear decks, it's everywhere. Also ordered a boat without it as well, so there's several scenarios here. 5-person capacity, see your tack there. Bluetooth stereo with 2 8-inch speakers in the rear. 3 seat bases across the front and rear deck for those guys that are crappie fishing. I know I'm not saying crappie right, but my Pennsylvania Dutch mouth doesn't say another way. Pre-wired for a trolling motor, and I upgraded to 6-gauge wiring. You can see the pad there for the trolling motor, and then the wiring and the breaker are in the front right compartment to try to keep as much weight forward as possible for a jet boat. This is about a 30-mile-an-hour boat. We just ran one yesterday. Make sure it was set up correctly. Front storage. Front storage, we can either mount a 9-gallon fuel tank up front or a 12-gallon in the rear, whichever you prefer. Or you can do duals, whichever. Or you can just use this for storage and put the fuel in the back. Light kit. So with the light kit, there are under gunnel green lights underneath each gunnel. Compartments have lights, and also too there are lights down on the flooring there as well. See the track system along the gunnels for your rod holders on both sides. Storage underneath the gunnels here. And on directly on the other side. Storage in the console. Big wide open storage in the rear. Like I said, if we're going to either mount the fuel tank back here or just access whatever you want to do, puts a lot of storage back in this area. Little things too, like that little tube, that's for hold your drain plug. They put really think things out well. All the storage is lockable. I mentioned our reputation, so every boat that we sell here at F&S, we go through very thoroughly. Not just Excel, but every brand of boat in the industry. There's things that need fixed and improved upon when they come from the factory. And the good dealers will do that. And then we also water test every single boat that we sell, because there's certain things that can only be tested in the water. And we'll also be glad to go with you to the water as well. Whether you're picking up here at the shop, or we're meeting somewhere. I meet a lot of people halfway, regardless of how far away you are. We do that quite a bit. And then we try to meet at a waterway. Do a lot of custom riggings, fish finders, trolling motor, shallow water anchors, lithium batteries, you name it. If you check our YouTube channel out, you'll see a lot of completed customer boats as examples. We do so much custom riggings that we do a completed walkthrough video when we're done, because the customer's coming from distance. That way they can make sure everything's correct before they come pick up or before we meet. Oh, I almost forgot. Take note, there's no plexiglass in this windshield. It didn't come yet, but I wanted to do a video as soon as possible. But you get the point. It just plexiglass goes there where the brackets are. So a lot of other express boats as well. Bay boats, bass boats. They're duck boats, Pennington pontoons, a lot of used boats, smoker craft V-bottoms. We're privately owned here in Hanover, Pennsylvania. Grandpa started things as a sporting goods store in the late 40s. My dad is a current owner. I've been here over 30 years myself. But we're just all about service. You'll see that if you look at our Google reviews and online reviews. That's just what we are and who we are. See some mud boats there too, lined up with mud buddies. I appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. Check us out at our website at F&SYamaha.com. And of course, lots of videos on our YouTube channel, F&SYamaha. I appreciate you watching. Please let me know if you have any questions on this boat or any other boat, whether you're buying a boat in stock, a boat we already have on order, or special orders. Whatever you'd like to do, I'd be glad to walk you through it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.